and then see how the leaves also help you creating the shape. So when you actually had the mind that, oh, I want to do a crescent, or say for example I want to do a bouquet, right? So those two are two different designs. So bouquet, you probably want to find something more full in value in terms of the flower. Big roses, big lily, bigger leaf, round leaves, to create the bouquet. But however, if you want to create something more linear, more curvy, that you have to look for something more linear and curvy in terms of the material. Okay, and this one is also very pretty.
Wow.
So I wrote it down on your sheet. So it looked like a green, but it's also a flower. It's called
golden shower?
Flame tip.
Flame tip.
It's like the fire on the top.
Oh, yeah,
it's
really
gorgeous.
does.
Yeah,
It's so gorgeous.
It's very pretty. This is in season, so you probably will find this a lot.
Beautiful.
But
you know, I always saw this kind of stuff.
Yeah.
But
don't know
it
how
never
to use
clicked it in mind how you use it.
Yeah,
right?
yes. Because it's kind of like dark. The color is dark.
Yeah.
It's hard to play with it.
Very true.
If you don't have a good combination, it could look very, lost of the count. Like
exactly.
Okay. And
beautiful.
And then we have the flower. This one. See how they both are different, but they both are spider mom.
Spider mom.
Okay. Yeah, spider mom. But this one it has like a two-tone color. Inside is red, outside is yellow. Very pretty. And this one is also a spider mom, but it's kind of, the color is gradually changing from the orange to yellow. So yeah, very, very nice. If you want your flower to open quickly, there's two things you can do. Like you bought the flower and you want to use overnight, and then first of all you can actually have the water a little bit warmer than the regular flower water you get it from the tap, and then you can add a little sugar in the water and then just mix it up and then put the flower in. So the flower will actually open a little faster, because basically warm water and sugar just like a little nutrition and vitamin for the flower, so they will grow a little faster. But however, if you want to go faster, you will die.
Faster.
Yeah. So that's but if you just want to have the fully open tomorrow, that's something that you should.
Very useful tip.
Yeah, you should consider tomorrow. And then lily, it's the same. Okay. And then also when you actually place this one in the water, you probably want to make sure that all the leaf taken off. You actually generate the bacteria really fast. Okay, that's that. And then
that I didn't know either.
Yeah,
like
so
it generates the
so everything below the water, take it off.
Okay.
Yeah, take it off. Yeah, okay. And then this is very cute.